Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Klarna to pay every month in Germany. Now, what you need to do is go to only, online shops that are in Germany that offer Klarna. I know H&M offers it. There's MediaMarkt, there's Zalando, and you just add your items to the cart. You go to checkout. So let's say you want this one. Just click on it, right? It's the product page. You add this to your cart. Okay, just click here and add. Of course, you need to choose the size. Let's do small. Click here and add. And once you are on checkout, okay, here. So once we add it to a cart. So this is our cart right here. And as you can see, when you're checking out, right, depending on your location, if you're in Germany, if it's a website that allows Klarna, has Klarna integrated, you can pay with it. So you just continue to check out. This will be a payment option. Okay, you choose pay later or pay now with Klarna, and you switch to their financing plan. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.